Sadly, there is still a prevailing mindset across many industries that most accidents just happen. That is not the attitude here at RoyOMartin. Safety is one of our core values. Several years ago, we initiated a safety awareness campaign called I Believe in Zero, and it is now part of our everyday safety culture across our organization. Zero means zero incidents and zero accidents. It means every team member makes it home safely every day. Our safety record has improved dramatically recently, but we're still not at zero. So we are taking IBiZ to a new level through IBiZ Now. As team members, we've pledged to work safely every day. But imagine how much safer we could be if we commit to working safely every second. That's what IBiZ Now is all about. A commitment by all of us to work safely every moment. IBiZ Now means focusing on safety now and avoiding distractions. IBiZ Now means team safety huddles performed before a task is performed. Putting on proper PPE needed for each job. Driving defensively in the mills and to and from work. Following lockout-tagout procedures before working on equipment. Using catwalks and pedestrian walkways. Holding the handrails as you walk up and down the stairs. Cleaning up spills when you see them to prevent slips and falls. Keeping your work areas clean and tidy to prevent tripping hazards. Putting your seatbelt on every time you get into a car or piece of mobile equipment. Flagging off areas that team members need to avoid. And wearing high visibility vests so that you are seen by all team members. Nothing is more important to me than our team's safety. People are my passion, and each of our team members makes a difference to me, our company, and my family. I want each of us to work safely every moment at work so we can return safely to family and friends at home. I want us to work and play safely at home so we can return safely to work for our fellow team members. Every time we buckle our seatbelt, put on our hard hat, use catwalks, and lock out equipment, we make a choice to be safe, and those small choices save lives, including your own. Our corporate safety policy is unambiguous. It simply states, at RoyOMartin, safety is a core value. We believe our team members benefit from our unwavering commitment to excellence in safety. Safety begins with each of us. I can and must prevent all injuries. I am responsible for my safety. I am responsible for the safety of my fellow team members. I am empowered to stop any process and procedure that violates our safety values. I make a difference. IBiZ Now. This policy is more than just words. It's a personal philosophy that I hope will resonate with each of you. As the Vice President of Environmental Safety and Sustainability Operations for RoyOMartin, I publicly pledge my commitment to being safe right now. So join me on this safety journey and make IBiZ Now one of your core values as well.